To install Collavate, go to the G Suite Marketplace and search for Collavate. Alternatively, we will provide a direct link in the description below to allow you to easily find the installation link. Now click on the Domain Install button and accept the terms and conditions. Once installation is complete, you can launch Collavate by accessing Collavate through your Google Apps. Click on More. You'll find Collavate at the very bottom. When logging into Collavate for the first time, you will need to set up your document manager and sync your users and organization. A document manager is in charge of processed documents, so when processed documents become processed, the ownership of the doc turns to the document manager. Now to sync the organization chart and the users in your Google admin, all you need to do is click sync. And it may take a couple minutes after the loading bar is complete. So you'll have to wait a few minutes after logging in before your actual organization chart and your users will show in Collavate. Once that is complete, you can go into the admin settings and activate your users.